Welcome to the third and final video of the Steelman Library Core series. The previous two videos detailed all the resources and tools the library has to offer. In this video, we will explain how to most effectively use these tools for scholarly research. The Steelman website has a large collection of databases that can be searched through for both scholarly and popular sources. Speaking of collections, a database itself is just a collection of sources. With hundreds of databases and thousands of sources to filter through, research can be incredibly daunting. This is why it is important to narrow your search. By using different search criteria, it becomes easier and easier to find what you need. Let us begin by selecting a database through the Steelman Library website by navigating to the Databases tab. By checking different search boxes, you are able to find databases that are specifically relevant to your subject matter. After selecting a relevant database, you can further narrow your search by only selecting criteria for the kinds of sources you need. Limiting to full text is a good practice no matter what source you need, as it ensures that it is actually available to SEU students. Other criteria, such as peer-reviewed or academic journal, may only be necessary when searching for more scholarly sources, whereas selecting newspaper or magazine will find more popular sources. You can also limit your search to only show sources from a certain time frame. If you're looking into how a topic was historically viewed, you may select a longer range, while if you want to find up-to-date information, you may choose to limit your search to sources published within the past 5 years. Once you have found a source you want to use, many databases have helpful tools such as the option to download PDFs and copy citations. When copying citations, however, it is important to reference a citation style guide as well to ensure it is the correct format. No matter the tools and techniques you use, research can still be an incredibly difficult task. Always remember that the librarians are happy to help students throughout the research process and can be accessed through the contact page of the website or by scheduling meetings through the different website forums. Thank you for watching this video, which concludes the Steelman Core series. We hope these videos have given you a better understanding of the different resources available to you through the Steelman Library so that you may flourish throughout your academic career.